Was your Ryanair flight delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connection? No need to worry. You might be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple process to claim compensation for any issues with your Ryanair flight using Compensair. Trusted by travelers worldwide, Compensair handles all the details, making it easy for you to get paid. Let's get started. First, visit Compensair. Although you can search for it online, be cautious of phishing websites. The safest option is to use the official link provided in the description below. Once you're on the site, enter your Ryanair flight details. This includes your departure and arrival cities, flight number, and the date of your flight. You can find all of this information on your ticket or email confirmation. Next, provide your personal information, such as your full name and email address. Compensair keeps all your data secure throughout the process, so you can feel confident your information is safe. After everything is filled out, double-check your details for accuracy, then click Submit to finalize your claim. Compensair will take over from here, contacting Ryanair on your behalf to secure your compensation. You can just relax while they handle the paperwork. Once your claim is successful, you'll receive an email notification, and the compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. And that's it. With Compensair, getting compensation for a delayed, cancelled, or missed Ryanair flight is quick and stress-free. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.